Hello guys. So in this session we will learn how to install Jenkins on Windows EC2. So here you can see this is my article, First Techniques to how to install Jenkins on Windows in 5 simple steps. So now we are going to follow this article. So in this session we will learn how to install Jenkins on Windows EC2. So that's why here I have already launched one instance with the name Windows and the operating system is Windows. So let's connect to our Windows instance. So as you know how to connect to Windows, so we need a RDC, remote desktop connection. So let's connect. So first of all, let's select our instance, then click on connect, then go to the RDP client, and after that get password, upload your private key, so here is my private key, then open, and now decrypt our password. So it's done. Now let's connect. So let's copy the public DNS first of all, then click on connect. Then our username is administrator, and let's copy the password, and now click on OK. Okay, so you can see here we have successfully logged into our EC2 instance, Windows instance, right? Okay, so now we are going to install Jenkins on our Windows instance. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our article, so we are going to follow this article. So let's start. So the first introduction is Jenkins is one of the most popular open source automation tool written in Java with built-in plugins for continuous integration. And it is a server-based application and have to set up on web service servers like Apache and Tomcat. Jenkins is a popular because of it monitors the repetitive tasks which arises during development of project. For example, if your team developing a project, Jenkins will continuously trigger code, test your project, build and shows the early stage of errors in early stage of development, and according to developers fix the code errors and deploy to production. So that's the small introduction of Jenkins. Then here some features of Jenkins. Jenkins can be used as a simple CI server or turned into the continuous delivery hub for any project, and easy installation, easy configuration. It provides 400 plus plugin, and Jenkins provides extensible features by adding plugins and distributed by build different project and testing, etc. Then next is prerequisites, that's the more important. So the first is we need a one Windows or Windows Server system. So here we are going to use Windows instance, then at least 1 GB RAM, and JDK 1.8 or higher version is supported, and we need a open port 8080. Okay, then now let's start to install Jenkins. So the first step is install Java SE JDK 8 on Windows. So before installing Jenkins, we have to install JDK, and currently Jenkins support JDK 8 or higher version. So let's install. So you can see you can be download and install latest version of SE from Oracle site. Okay, and please follow the below article to download and install Java SE JDK 8 on Windows 10. Okay, so let's follow this article to how to download and install Java SE 8. JDK 8. So let's follow this article. So first of all, download Oracle Java SE JDK 8. So here is the website. So let's open it. Okay. Now that's the Java 8 or Java 11 version. So I'm going to install Java 11 for in Windows. So I'm going to install this 64 installer. So let's install. So I receive and accept and download JDK 11. So here we need to log in to our Oracle. So if you don't have accounts, then you can create new account and then you can install. So here I have account. And after that password, then click on sign in. Now you can see it's installing. Okay, it's installing. It's done. So go to the folder. Okay. Now the next step is we need to install. So let's install. So wait for a few seconds. Okay. Sim preparing to install. Click on next. Then okay, next. Now click on close. We have successfully installed our Java. So how to check? So go to the C drive, then go to the program files and here Java, right? So first of all, go to the Java, then JDK 11 and bin. So after that here, I'm going to copy the copy address as text, right? Okay. After that, go to the properties. How to? First of all, right click on C drive and then go to the properties. Sorry. Click on this PC and go to the properties. After that, click on advanced system setting. Then click on environment variables. And here we need to set the path of our Java 11. So click on new and enter a variable name path. And after that variable value, paste the path that we have copied. Now click on OK and OK and close the window. Okay, now it's done. Now it's done. We have successfully installed Java 11 and set the path. As you can see here, go to the properties, then environment variables and set the path. Okay, that's it. Now go to that article, how to install Jenkins. Okay, we have successfully installed Java 11 on Windows. Now let's check the next step. Now the second step is download Jenkins for Windows. So here the next download latest Jenkins for Windows from this link. So go to these links. So here is the Jenkins link or Jenkins site. And now we are going to install Jenkins from this side. So here you can see for Windows. So I'm going to click on Windows. You can see here it's downloading. Okay, it's done. Now let's install Jenkins. So go to the folder and let's install. So click on next. Then okay, our Jenkins folder is in C drive program files. Okay. If you want to change, then you can change from here, but I don't want. Then click on next. Then log on type. So I'm going to select run service as local system. Then next. Then test port 8080. Done. Next. Okay. Now here, please select the path of Java development kit, that means JDK or JRE file, and only Java 11 or 17 are supported by Jenkins because this is latest version. Okay. So let's set the path of our Java. So here is our Java folder, JDK. Click on OK and next. Okay. Then click on next. Here click the icons that below to change the way features will be installed. Okay, I'm going to select this Jenkins. Finish install. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's done. Complete the Jenkins 2.37 5.1 setup. So click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Okay, now it's done. Now let's check the next step. So we have successfully installed Jenkins. Okay, it's done. Done. Okay, now the next step is here. Fourth step, configure Jenkins. So the next you will automatically be reached this link. Here you can see we will automatically reached in this site. You can see here. Thank you for download. So here click on this link. Localhost 8080. Now it will ask administrator password. So where is password? So the password is here. So in my article you can see here. Next you will be reach automatically this site, and after that enter your administrator password. So where is password? So go to the C drive, then program files, and here is our Jenkins folder. So go to the Jenkins and go to the Jenkins.err file, and here scroll down, and here you can see Jenkins initial setup is required and admin user has been created and a password generated. So please use the following password to proceed to installation. So let's copy the password and enter here. Click on continue. After that, customize Jenkins, install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I'm going to click install suggested plugins. So you can see here it's installing. So wait for a few seconds. So let's check the next step. Okay, it's done. Now the next step is here. Next, we have to create an admin user and password for Jenkins. Put into your details and click save and continue. And after that, finish button, click on finish button. And here, now click start using Jenkins to start Jenkins. And finally, we have successfully installed Jenkins. So let's say, so you can see here, it's installing. So wait for a few seconds. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, so we have successfully installed plugins and now we have reached in this page. Create your first admin user. Okay, so here you can see after install suggested plugins, here we have in this page. So let's create first admin user, otherwise you can skip and continue as admin. So if you want, then you can enter username, then password, confirm password, after that first full name and email address. So you can enter this, otherwise you can skip and continue as admin. Save and finish. After that, save and finish, and then click on start using Jenkins. And now you can see our dashboard. Welcome to Jenkins. So this is our job, this is our Jenkins dashboard. So it's done. So you can see here. So it's done. Welcome to Jenkins. So it's done. So you can follow this article, how to install Jenkins on Windows in 5 simple steps. So you can check my description box. I will put this link into my description box. Then you can follow this article to install Jenkins on Windows in 5 simple steps. So thank you.